Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli. Thank you for joining my channel. Please subscribe, help me change the world one electric car at a time. Thank you to all my patrons and supporters. Today, I want to share with you how incredibly popular Tesla cars are becoming on Turo. If you don't know what Turo is, it's like Airbnb. You can put your car on, lease your car on, any car, and it can be used as a rental car. It's not an Uber that I come and pick you up. You can rent the car from a person, just like you rent somebody's apartment or somebody's house. And it's a very popular website. You can, instead of going to the rental counter, you come to a city or an area, a vacation, business, whatever it is. You find the car in the area to your liking. You go to the guy, or the guy comes to you, and you rent it, and that's it, basically. So Tesla cars are now in the top 11 most popular cars that are being rented at Turo. Model 3 is number 11, and number S and X in numbers 5 and 6th place. Here are some Tesla prices, and each owner will charge you a different fee for if you go over the allotted miles. You can set any limits you want. Some charge 80 cents for every additional mile that you will go. Some charge $1.30 for every mile you go over, and the prices can be like $135 a day. I saw a Tesla Model X for $330-ish a day. It really depends on the area. It depends on the model of the car, the years. It's a wild west. I mean, they will suggest to you a price that is coming to your area, but obviously you can decide on your own. It's just like an Airbnb. You can charge whatever you want. The only thing I have to tell you about this, it's a good way to make money. Some people pay off their finance or lease doing just that. You can do that, but I can tell you that it decreases the value of your car significantly. You go to any website that you want to you lease your car to sell, beside Carfax and all that stuff, they will ask you if this car was rented, if this car was used for rideshare. I've seen it when I sold my Nissan Leaf. It was a question that was asked. An owner, a potential buyer, will ask you this question: was your car so just for you to know that there's that risk. Now, if you are not planning to sell your car, and if you are planning just to rent it in the weekend, and you're planning to keep it for a long time, do it. What the heck, do it. Now, obviously, there's wear and tear. Obviously, there are people actually driving your car. It's not like the future robo-taxi that Tesla is planning. It's not the same thing. It is a different thing. That is a whole different story. I made a couple of videos about it already. However, the risk is damage, obviously. Scraping, there's always insurance, and there are cameras, and there's a lot of stuff that you can do to protect yourself. But I think the biggest thing, even if nothing happens, the biggest thing is that you can, you would lose value on this car. I remember way back, I bought a Ford Mustang. I remember my Mustang Sally. I bought a Ford Mustang, and I got $6,000 off because I bought it from a rental car, and it had maybe less than 5,000 miles on it. I bought it for $6,000 less than the list price, just because it was from a rental company. It was great. I loved it. So you do lose value. You do lose value if you lease your car, if you list your car on Turo or ride sharing, whatever it is that you do. That's the risk that you have. But it's interesting that more and more Teslas are, it's not surprising, it's interesting, more and more Teslas are making it to the top most wanted cars. Electric cars are fun, people recognize it and they love it, and why not? Why not? All right, that's that, guys. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. I'll see you tomorrow in another video.